And back in the U.S., Kentucky lawmakers believe there's a way to make schools in the Commonwealth safer. They're looking at helping school districts put silent panic alerts into their schools. The bill lawmakers are considering is called Alyssa's Law. It's named after a 14-year-old who died in a school shooting at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School in Florida. These implement wearable panic alert systems come with a panic button on the badges that teachers and other school staff wear throughout the day.
This gives the educator or the person wearing that badge an opportunity to click that button on the back of their badge a different number of times based on the incident to automatically respond in an integrated way with local dispatch, local law enforcement, first responders.
This way, dispatch knows emergency services are needed at the school without anyone needing to call 911. Lawmakers supporting the bill emphasize that this is not a replacement for school resource officers, but an additional resource.